duckling, who, as you will remember from the photograph released at the time, has what can be described as a rather unforgettable appearance. Now, our experts believe that he may have already undergone certain changes. They have put together a composite of what he might look like today. Some viewers may find this image disturbing. Now for TSPN. The Alpha Ducks are doing a...
Elena, if you see this, love, please come home. The kid, not Kobe someone else, please come home.
Sir. Sir.
Why?
This is live.
I don't care.
In a sinister new development, it would appear that Ida, the mother of the lost little duckling, has now also gone missing. Once again, viewers, we are appealing to you if you have any information. The number is coming up on your screen.